If you're planning to use your South African documents in Saudi Arabia for business or personal reasons, the Saudi authorities may require your documents to be legalized with an apostille before they can accept them for a visa application. These instructions provide clear guidelines for the authentication and legalization of South African documents to ensure that they are recognized and accepted as valid for legal use in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The Hague Convention of 5. October 1961. Abolishing the requirement of legalization for foreign public documents, or the Apostille Convention, has greatly simplified the process through a certificate called an apostille, which eliminates the need for embassy or consular legalization. Step 1. Check whether your documents can be legalized. You can get documents legalized if they've been issued by Home Affairs. This includes certificates such as a birth, marriage, or death certificate. SAPs, police clearance certificates and certificates confirming expungement of criminal records. Court, documents signed and sealed by a court registrar or a judge, such as a divorce decree. Letter of confirmation of tax registration or a company certificate issued by CIPC, HPCSA medical certificates, and more. Step 2. Make sure your personal documents are recent and valid. Applicants should verify document validity, as Saudi Arabia rejects and does not accept expired documents and certificates during legalization. Recent personal documents are vital in the legalization process due to their up-to-date and reliable nature for information validation. Step 3. Check apostille requirements and obtain the right apostille. There are 2 types of apostille in South Africa. The DIRCO Apostille, whereby documents issued at the Department of Home Affairs or the South African Police Services are submitted to the legalization section at the Department of International Relations and Cooperation for Apostille in Pretoria. And then there's the High Court Apostille. Documents such as copies of travel documents, passports, driving licenses, or legal documents such as affidavits, powers of attorney, employment contracts and/or translations must be notarized by a notary public or translated by a sworn translator and then submitted to the registrar of any High Court of South Africa for apostille. Although both apostilles are equivalent and hold the same legal value, the Saudi Embassy in Pretoria has a preference for DIRCO apostilles when it comes to PPC, birth, and medical certificates. What's also really important to remember about apostille is that it's an A4 certificate that is attached to your document. Once it's affixed, it must never be removed or it will lose its validity. Global Apostille is your one-stop shop for apostille services. If you need apostille services in Pretoria, Cape Town, Johannesburg, and Durban, we can help. We ensure that your important documents are properly certified in the shortest possible time. For more info, visit our website on www.apostillelegalization.co.za.